Hello! Today I'm going to be unboxing the Highbranch Giraffe Family. As you can see, the box is broken. There are traces of glue on it and it's dented. Here we see 4 giraffe figurines, a camera and binoculars. The side of the box is decorated with images of green leaves. And here is a little text about Sylvania. It says, over green mountains tucked away in the depths of the forest, here we found the most beautiful place in the world, Sylvanian Village, with the home of the most tender-hearted friends in the whole world. If you listen to the wind, you'll hear their happy chatter. So we have a family itself, a collection catalogue, and a storybook about them. So let's see what their names are. Right, so we've got a father, Egbert, mother, Olive, and the babies, Bran and Bree. So I'll show you the pictures in here and you can pause it to read it if you want to. Now I'll show you the collection catalogue from both sides. You can also pause the video to view it. Now I'm taking Mother Olive out of the box. And next we have Bran in orange and Bree in red. And lastly we are taking out Father Egbert. Well, now let's take out the camera and binoculars. So here we've got the little brown camera and some gold binoculars. It's actually really cool that the set comes with some accessories. And here is the background with some trees, flowers and 2 stumps for babies. So now I'm gonna put a camera on Bree. Bree is actually obsessed with binoculars, but I decided otherwise. Despite the fact that it's a baby, it has a long neck like a real giraffe. And now let's put the binoculars on Bran, who loves taking pictures with the camera, but I gave it binoculars. I hope they don't get offended. And now I'll show you the father, who is wearing the blue jumpsuit with giraffe collar patch pocket. And I'm in love with his long neck and little cute tail. And here is Mother Olive, who is wearing green dress with giraffe collar bottom and the red ribbon in the middle. She also has the incredibly cute tail. It looks like a brush. Well, please support my channel by liking the video and subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!